Time for the horses. Notice we can open the gate and they know exactly which stall to go in to get their food. Here comes Cash, our donkey. He's very pokey. Cash absolutely loves to get brushed. Hi, honey. Hi, Cash. So if you look here, he is not eating his food because he sees the brush and he wants me to brush him. Most donkeys can be ornery and mean, but Cash is an absolute sweetheart. Go ahead, eat your food, honey. Eat your breakfast. So here he is getting a quick little brush. Hi, Cash. You see him? He just loves getting brushed. He will pick up the brush, put it in his mouth, and beg for me to brush him. He doesn't get brushed every day, but I try to do it quite often. Okay, go ahead and eat, baby. Oops, stay there. Cash. He also does not like to be away from his best friend, Bugsy. Now he's gonna eat his grain. He only gets half a cup of grain since he's so small and he can gain weight fast. And then this is Bugsy. She's eating happily. She is 24 or 23. There's her scar on her back that when she just recently got a bad cut and had to get all stitched up, but she's doing much, much better and almost completely healed. She was adopted from Texas A&M Cavalry, and she belongs to my daughter Claudia. She's not ridden anymore. She's not in good enough health and shape to be ridden, so she's just kind of a pasture pet. And here is Johnny. He is the leader of the pack. He is actually a pony, and he belongs to Chelsea. Chelsea's had Johnny since she was 8, right, Brett, or 9? And he is 24, so I think she was 8 or 9 when she got him, and he was a year younger than her. So she's going to be 25 and he's 24. So he loves food. He could eat and eat and eat all day long. But we have to watch his weight closely. He's at a good weight right now because he definitely can get too fat. And this is my little miniature horse, Phantom. Phantom's getting a nice big drink of water. Hi, Phantom. Saying hello. Here's Phantom. Hi, honey. I have to keep his forelock cut really short because it gets in his eyes, and he has gotten eye infections when his forelock gets in his eyes, and he rubs and itches his eyes and scratches his cornea and all sorts of craziness. That's why he looks a little crazy. Has kind of a crazy haircut. It's because we try to avoid vet bills at our house if at all possible. And then here is Pork Chop, who is hungry and ready for me to feed him, and Harvey, who's also hungry and ready to get fed. Time for the cows, their favorite time of the day. Harvey's nursing, so she's always hungry, even when she's not nursing. They get a mixture of range cubes and 2 different grains, one that will help her with her milk production. Pork Chop has decided he really likes to get brushed too. And here, over by the water trough, is little Miss Rosey. She's growing and doing well. We found out that Harvey's only producing milk out of 2 of her udders. So we have to keep a close eye on Rosey and make sure she's getting enough milk. Hi, Rosey. Hi, honey. Pretty soon we'll have a halter on her and be able to catch her a little easier. But she is fairly friendly. Rosey. Rosey. She's gonna go by her mama. And her uncle. She does not know how to eat the grain yet. She's way too little for that, but she does like to hang out with them. Oops, gonna run away from me. If in doubt, nurse mom. Hi, Rosey. You're very pretty. a pretty little flower. These actually were really pretty, but it looks like they're about done. There's a dragonfly. I don't know if you caught that. Here's some knockout roses. They do really, really well in Texas. Those little flowers aren't doing well. I did put some flower fertilizer on everything the other day. Here's some more knockout roses. Looks like I need to trim their little dead heads off to keep them blooming. Some more. These flowers need a little help. Here is my Easter lily. I got that one year as a gift, the Easter lily, and we took it and planted it outside, and each year it's just been getting better and better. There's these flowers. Look at these roses, how beautiful they are right now. These roses are gorgeous. This bush just keeps getting bigger and bigger every year. So I don't plant a lot of colored flowers because my knockout roses are so big and do so well that they add a lot of color to my front landscaping. And our palm trees are multiplying down there. I'm sure I'll have to be pulling them up soon. Here's our big palm trees. I love those. Just kind of a quick little video of our front landscaping. Everything's trimmed and growing really well already. It's very warm in Texas already. I think it's gonna be upper 80s today. This is little trees are lemon and lime. These little bushes here were supposed to be cherry bushes. I don't know if they're dead or they're gonna come back eventually. That big pine tree right there was just kind of naturally planted itself there, and we let it grow, and it's gotten huge in just a few years. These flowers are doing really, really well right now. This type of lily. This tree is my tree that produces the palmetto, so the ones that look like a grapefruit but are not quite a grapefruit. Here is where we planted some vegetables. So this is one of the squash plants, and that's doing well. My beans are doing well. They're getting a little bit yellow. The onions, not doing anything. This is a pepper plant. Or no, that's another squash plant, zucchini plant. So here's these tomato plants. They are just not doing well. I hope you can see that. And that one looks really pitiful. So we're gonna add some Miracle-Gro to them. I know that is not organic gardening at all, but that's what my daughter said has saved hers. This is a really pretty butterfly bush. Soon it'll get all eaten by monarch butterflies, and the leaves will be completely bare. They'll have their chrysalis on it, and then they'll hatch and the leaves will grow back. There's some more tomato. Onions that aren't doing anything. Here's another tomato that's not doing much. But now over here in my raised bed, this side was my herbs. They're not really growing. This side are some more beans, and then here is some tomato plants and pepper plants that are doing quite well. These are doing really well as far as growing. They're just not producing much yet. Hopefully they will produce soon because they'll start getting too hot in Texas, and then they're not gonna produce. Oops, and I'm in the shade. Here's a couple more tomatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these two. I'll put them on my windowsill so they can finish ripening. And then my pepper got orange. This pepper, I've been waiting for it to get orange so it was ready to be picked. So that pepper's ready. And the other three green peppers should be coming along soon. This was, I think, some kind of squash or something that's not doing well either. So we're gonna fertilize and I'll update you in a week of how it's doing. Thanks for watching the updated farm tour. Bye, have a great day.